Welcome back. Welcome back. This is our last video SVG that we did. I'm going to show you how to create another kind of SVG. You can use other words to different words to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. And this file is a very popular file. Let's go to our to another page. File, new. Okay, we have a new file. Come on. Yes, here it is. Let's change our page, our document to 8.5 by 11. Go here, 8.5 by 11. Yep, that's it. Okay, is it? No, it didn't change. File, document properties. It should be 8.5 by 11 right here. Yep. Yes, here we have it. 8.5 by 11. Okay, I'll show you another file, another form of SVG that you can create. It will be just a little bit like the mama one that we had, but this is different. But you will see what we will do. Okay, we go back to our text, and then I'll use capital letters MOM. Okay, this is our word, and here I'm going to change my font to Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Something like that. Times New Roman. Okay, you see that? It's still selected. Here says normal. We're going to make it bold. Okay, I'll go to my cursor and make it bigger. Mom. Let's make it a little bit. Okay, now we have this one. Mom. We're going to cut it in the middle, and then the user, our customer, will be able to place her kid's name in the middle of it. Okay. Okay, here I'm going to make a copy. Control D, I made a copy. I'll place this over here. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we go here, and we will take the box again, like the rectangle. The rectangle. Okay. Okay, this rectangle. Let's make it a little bit thinner. Okay, we place it over here. We want it a little bit bigger than the word, a little bit longer, like over here a little bit. Now we're going to select both, and then we will align and distribute. Object, align and distribute. We want it in the middle. Okay, really in the middle. Okay, let's zoom in with plus. Zoom in. Okay, here is the middle. This thing here, this line, rectangle line, we're going to duplicate it. We want an extra one, so I'm going to keep this here. This here, I'm going to make it a little bit larger. Okay, a little bit, so that the names of the kids can fit in. And then I'm going to center it again. Push. Okay. We will cut, you see the overlapping part, we will cut that out. We don't need it. Select both, go to pad, and we cut with difference. You see, we cut it. Okay, after we cut it, we will break it apart. Go back to the hammer, break it apart. Go back to pad and break it apart. You see all the pieces come free, and then we select what we want, what we need, and then we go back to pad. We can combine them or unite them. combine them. Select that back again and combine them. Now we have two separate pieces, the upper piece and this one, so that we can move them freely. Okay, we can move them freely. Now we go back to this one, and as you can see, it's transparent because the not you, the O down here stands for opacity, and here is on 50. It's on 50. If you make it to, as long as it's above 100, it will be not, it won't be transparent anymore. Look, if I put a 2 and I put enter, you see it's no longer transparent. Okay, but I want it to be transparent so that I can see what I'm doing. I'll put it back on 50. O for opacity. Now we see what we have. Let's go in. Plus, not 3. Come on. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to move it a little bit up. Yeah, let it be here. I'm going to select these two, and I'll go to pad, and I'll go to union. I want it to be all one piece. Yep, and I made a mistake. I'll undo it, Control Z, I'll undo it. I want one more copy of this. Put it here. Okay. All this, select them, go to pad, union. I have one piece. Now I'll place this one here, and I'm going to align them again. Okay, those two are like the same. Pad, union. Okay, and then I'm going to align these two pieces. Here. Okay, if you want, you can bring it a little bit down more. So your customer will be able to put their kid's name in here. Let's say Sarah. Amy, and Nate. And then they will be able to change their fonts. Let's see. This right here is what your customer will do, not you. You can put some name in it to show them how to use it. Okay. And then let's choose something. Okay. And this is what they will be able to do. Put their kid's name in it. That's how they can be used. Actually, I made the name a little bit too big, but you'll get the idea. Like, yeah, the name will be in there. Okay, and then you can delete this. We're going to delete these names. Group them. I think we have grouped them, right? Yeah, because you want your customer to be able to color them. For instance, if they want to color it like this, you see that? Okay, we're going to group them. Control G, and then make it smaller. And then you can save it here. File, save as. We didn't even save our file. You can name them like you want, and it's the SVG. Save it. Okay, SVG. Now we're going to save it as a PNG. Okay, we go back to our file, document properties. We're going to turn this one into the orientation, yeah, landscape, landscape, and then you can make it bigger. Okay, make it bigger, and then we go to a file export. Here we have it. Keep it on page and all that. You select here, and then you choose where you want to save it in. I save mine in downloads. Split mon PNG, save. And all this will be saved with a transparent background. Okay, and keep watching the coming videos. If you haven't watched the videos before this one, go back in the playlist and see the other videos. You will know exactly how to create all these files, and more files are coming. More, I'll show you how to create other files too. Stay in the classes, watch them, and practice for yourself, and open your Etsy shop, and you can sell SVG files too. Thank you for watching.